Uuni, the world's first portable wood-fired oven, was designed to transform the way we can cook at home. Now 5 years from launching, we've won multiple awards, garnered excellent reviews and have thousands of customers all over the world who are creating beautiful dishes in their own back gardens. Uuni 3 is our latest and best portable wood-fired oven. At around the size of a carry-on suitcase, it weighs only 12 kilograms or 26 pounds. Uuni 3 can be easily packed away for bringing to the beach, camping or taking to a friend's place. Uuni runs on wood pellets, which are a low cost and an efficient fuel. It's very quick to heat, and in only 10 minutes from lighting it reaches 500 Celsius or 932 degrees Fahrenheit. The high heat of Uuni 3 means you can bake a pizza in less than 60 seconds. Uuni 3 gives food a lovely subtle wood flavour and creates pizzas of up to 12 inches. It's great for steaks, roast vegetables, fish and more. Uuni Pro is double the size of Uuni 3 and so it's transportable rather than portable. It weighs 26 kilograms or 57 pounds. Uuni Pro is super versatile and gives the users the option to burn wood, charcoal, wood pellets or gas. The options allow users to adjust the temperature range considerably. The same phenomenal speed and heat as previous Uuni models, reaching temperatures of up to 500 Celsius or 932 Fahrenheit in only 15 minutes. Uuni Pro has a large cooking area, enabling you to make up to 16-inch pizzas, roast large joints of meats, bake fish, vegetables, and with Pro you can even bake breads. Check us out today on Uuni.net.